artificial intelligence. It's rapidly changing our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, the possibilities seem endless. But there's a hidden ingredient powering this AI revolution: data. And not just any data, but data that is fair. Fair data is not just a trendy buzzword, it's the bedrock upon which trustworthy and impactful AI is built. Imagine a world where researchers can easily find, access, and share data. This shared knowledge fuels breakthroughs, accelerates innovation, and ultimately benefits us all. Without fair data, AI development is like building a skyscraper on shaky ground. The results may be unpredictable, unreliable, or even dangerous. That's why embracing fair principles is not just an option, it's a necessity. This video will explore the core principles of fair data and illustrate its transformative impact on the field of AI. We'll delve into real-world examples, showcasing how fair data is driving progress across various domains. Join us as we unlock the power of data and explore the future of AI, built on a foundation of openness and collaboration. FAIR is an acronym that stands for Findable, Accessible, Interoperable, and Reusable. These principles, first outlined in 2016, provide a roadmap for making data easily discoverable and usable, both by humans and machines. Findability ensures that data can be easily located using descriptive metadata and unique identifiers. Accessibility means that data is readily obtainable in a usable format, even after long periods. Interoperability emphasizes the use of common standards and formats, allowing seamless data exchange. Finally, reusability focuses on making data well documented and understandable, enabling its use in future research and applications. These four pillars work in tandem to maximize the value of data, unlocking its full potential for AI and beyond. In the digital age, we are inundated with data, but finding the right data for a specific task can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where findability comes in. Fair data is easily discoverable by both humans and computers. This means using clear, descriptive metadata that accurately reflects the content of the data. Think of metadata as labels on a box, providing essential information at a glance. Unique identifiers like digital object identifiers, DOIs, act as persistent links to the data, ensuring it can always be found, even if its location changes. This is crucial for reproducibility and building upon previous work. By making data easily findable, we remove barriers to discovery and foster a culture of data sharing and collaboration. Researchers can spend less time searching and more time analyzing, accelerating the pace of discovery. Data often gets trapped in silos. It might be scattered across different systems, locked behind paywalls, or simply difficult to access. Accessibility aims to break down these barriers, making data readily obtainable for those who need it. This means providing clear and standardized access protocols, ensuring data can be retrieved in a usable format. Open data repositories and platforms play a crucial role in promoting accessibility, serving as central hubs for data sharing. However, accessibility goes beyond simply making data available. It also considers ethical and legal constraints, ensuring appropriate access controls are in place to protect sensitive information. By promoting accessibility, we democratize access to information, empowering researchers, policymakers, and citizens alike with data-driven insights. Interoperability, speaking the same data language. Imagine trying to understand a conversation where everyone speaks a different language. That's the challenge of working with data that is not interoperable. Different data sets may use different formats, structures, or terminologies, making it difficult to integrate and analyze them together. Interoperability ensures that data can be easily exchanged and understood across different systems and applications. This involves using common standards, ontologies, and vocabularies, allowing machines to talk to each other seamlessly. For example, using standardized medical coding systems ensures that patient data from different hospitals can be combined for analysis, facilitating large-scale clinical trials and research. Interoperability breaks down the barriers of data silos, fostering a connected ecosystem where data can flow freely, unlocking new possibilities for discovery and innovation. Reusability, building on solid foundations. Scientific progress relies on the ability to build upon previous work. However, if data is poorly documented or difficult to understand, its value for future research is limited. Reusability emphasizes the importance of making data well-structured, well-annotated, and accompanied by clear documentation. This includes providing detailed metadata that explains the context of the data collection, any processing steps that have been applied, and any limitations or biases that users should be aware of. When data is reusable, it becomes a valuable asset that can be used to answer new questions and generate new insights. Reusability not only saves time and resources but also promotes transparency and reproducibility in research. It allows others to verify findings, build upon existing knowledge, and avoid unnecessary duplication of effort. Fair data in action, real-world examples. The principles of fair data are not just theoretical concepts. They are being put into practice across a wide range of fields, driving innovation and discovery. In healthcare, the Genomic Data Commons, or GDC, hosts a vast collection of genomic and clinical data from cancer patients, standardized and harmonized to facilitate research and drug development. This open and accessible resource has accelerated progress in cancer research, leading to new treatments and diagnostic tools. In climate science, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, known as the IPCC, relies on fair data principles to ensure the transparency and reproducibility of its climate models and projections. This allows policymakers to make informed decisions based on the best available scientific evidence. These are just a few examples of how fair data is transforming research and development across various domains, demonstrating the tangible benefits of embracing open and accessible data practices. Powering AI: how fair data drives innovation. Artificial intelligence thrives on data. The quality, quantity, and accessibility of data directly impact the performance and reliability of AI algorithms. Fair data is not just beneficial for AI, it's essential. When AI algorithms are trained on fair data, the results are more likely to be accurate, robust, and generalizable. This is because fair data ensures that the training data is representative, unbiased, and reflects the real-world complexity of the problem being addressed. Moreover, fair data facilitates the development of more sophisticated and powerful AI models. By combining data from different sources, researchers can train AI algorithms on larger and more diverse datasets, leading to more accurate predictions and insights. Building trust and transparency with fair data. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's crucial that we trust the decisions being made by these systems. Fair data plays a vital role in fostering trust and transparency in AI. When data is fair, it's easier to understand the origins of the data, the methods used to collect and process it, and any potential biases or limitations. This transparency allows users to assess the reliability and fairness of AI systems, fostering greater trust in their outputs. Furthermore, fair data promotes reproducibility in AI research. By making data and code openly available, researchers can verify each other's findings, identify and correct errors, and build upon existing knowledge with greater confidence. The future is fair, embracing openness and collaboration. The future of AI hinges on our ability to unlock the full potential of data. Fair data principles provide a roadmap for achieving this goal, fostering a future where data is treated as a valuable resource that is openly shared and reused. By embracing fair data practices, we can accelerate the pace of AI innovation, foster collaboration across disciplines, and build trust in the AI systems that are shaping our world. The benefits of fair data extend far beyond the realm of AI, impacting every sector of society. As we move forward, it's imperative that we prioritize fair data principles in research, industry, and government. By working together to create a more open and connected data ecosystem, we can unlock the transformative power of data and shape a brighter future for all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to VLab Solutions.